Welcome. In front of me is a THL T7, and today I will show you how to take a screenshot on this device. So to do it, you simply hold power key and volume down together, like so. Get a little flash and a minimization of the screen, and then you can find the screenshot in the photo gallery. So open up photo gallery wherever it is. Okay, right here, gallery. As you can see, there it is. So that's the screenshot that we just took, and that's basically how you take it. So once again, it's power key and volume down. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.